contemporary apartment building with swimming pool and courtyard. The pool is rectangular on one end and round on the other, with lounge chairs in water, outdoor sofas with cushions, deck chairs in the area near the pool, along with an outdoor barbecue area. Inside, a room has a picnic table, ping pong, darts. Outside, landscaped grounds and seating. A fenced-in dog area with agility features. Small fountains sit in a stony area near a sign that reads HTX. Hammocks in the courtyard. Adirondack chairs around a fire pit. Inside, a gym has treadmills, free weights, other exercise equipment, weight machines. A community room with easy chairs and sofas, kitchen area, co-working area with printer. The mail room. Words across the mailboxes read "Live vibrantly, live Bellrock." Lines of mailboxes. The apartment model has light walls and trim with medium wood-inspired floors. The kitchen has light cabinets and light stone-inspired counters and an island, chrome-colored appliances that include a built-in microwave, dishwasher, vertical door fridge. Living and kitchen area are open plan. Ceiling fan in living area. Stacked washer and dryer and closet. Bedroom, dark carpet, ceiling fan, window. Bathroom decor matches kitchen. Full tub and shower unit with marble-inspired tile. Walk-in closet with built-in wire shelves and hanger rods on 3 walls. Text: Bellrock Memorial.